We're here. Part 1. Vampire Slayers. We have a special kind of vampires here.
Bled, wake up! Wake up, Bled! Bled! There is a strange person in our house. What is he doing here? Did you invite him? Is he your gay lover?
No.
I don't like his hat. His hat is horrible.
Here we are today.
He sounds like Batman.
He has
With that
utensils. He has utensils. Oh, weapons.
My name is Assassin Zoom.
Oh, the sunlight. Oh.
Here's what I need you to do.
Turn into a bat.
I turn into mist. Haha! You do not see that coming, did you? Ha ha! Ha!
We are dangerous foes.
And now
We are
Faster! They're faster than
I
us.
have his
They're not
magical
human.
hand.
These are vampires.
Bat.
Teeth. They turn into bats. They fly.
I am back.
Ah! They don't seem intimidated by me. Yes, I forgot. You're mute.
The Jojo.
Our secret weapon.
Your secret weapon now.
You can't talk, huh? You're mute, right? Okay.
Okay, get him.
Jojo.
Haha!
Ah.
Now, wait. What is he doing? He tries to make plus sign. Get him.
Yo.
Cross! It is the cross!
Ah.
Let the Lord protect me. No, you should burn! You should burn! Why are you not burning? Why are you not burning? No! Need help! I need help!
Help me with immortal.
Oh,
I need guys put this
Help
stake
me
in
with
his head.
immortal.
I must save him. I must die.
Aha! I have his weapons.
I will have to suck your blood.
I will have to cut his hand off.
The medallion will burn. They will burn.
Oh!
The medallion!
Ah.
Oh, the medallion! No!
Bite him.
Special effect!
Special effect.
Special effect!
Special effect. Special effect.
This one is tasty!
He's dead.
He is dead.
He is dead.
Can you believe it?
Oh.
See, he is now one of us.
Oh. There are 3 of us.
Wait a
and-
minute.
Wait.
He is rabid. He is rabid vampire.
No. There's 3 of us. And...
That!
Oh my goodness, where he go?
Oh no. Ah. It's a bat.
I will save you.
Bat.
Rip your heart out.
Bat. Cat. Cat. Cat.
My powers do not work on him. You guys have fun. I'm out of here.
Ah!
I will sacrifice myself.
Oh! Go to the sunlight, brother!
Bye, my
no!
friend.
No! No! My friend just died in a fatal sunlight accident!
Special effect.
My friend just died in a fatal sunlight accident!
Special effect.
No! No! Ah!